In this video, we will be fixing the strawberry milkshake on a V Holden. Lucky it did not go back. Throw transmission, the coolant. If theirs is no fixing the transmission if it did. We had to take off water pump and thermostat, get the garden hose, and flush the engine as much as we can. We finished flushing the engine with the garden hose. We took out radiator, ordered a new one from eBay, then went to a local auto barn and got some radiator flush, and we ordered spark plugs and coils from eBay. That's how confident we was at fixing it. There is the new radiator. We ran the radiator flush with the new radiator till normal temp and turned on the heater to AC. We ran the car for 15 minutes with Penrite radiator oil remover. It helped with removing some and with filling up trans, but come out in chunks. It blocked up the thermostat, so we had to take it apart again and flush it again with the garden hose. We cleaned heater tap hoses and all hoses to radiator. We made a new water pump gasket and thermostat gasket out of a gasket sheet you can get from a auto parts store, and was no leaks. Now running a different brand of coolant flush. This one you run for 45 to 90 minutes. We tried a different brand. Nylon Pro Strength Extreme Cooling System Flush. It worked a lot better than the Penrite brand. Got some trans oil from Auto Barn, the best auto shop you can go to. Can be cheaper and is the best at what they do. It took 5 flushes, had to take water pump and thermostat off twice, but we saved the engine. The new radiator was $110. 3 bottles off radiator flush, 2 liters of trans oil and coolant was all up $112. New spark plugs and coils $140, total all up cost $362 Australian dollars. After fixing the car, we started cosmetic work and detailing. It has a bulge from backing into something. You can reshape the plastic with boiling hot water. From the jug, it will go soft. Then you can reshape plastic. When it cools down, it hardens back up. You might have to repeat the process again when it hardens up. Now it's straight again, as you can see. Now all the marks and scratches, we are using Turtle Wax Scratch Swirl Remover. Giving the bottle a good shake before using. Wetting the surfaces where we are polishing. And rubbing the polish around with buffer before starting. Best to do it out of sunlight or a late afternoon. The Turtle Wax works. All marks are gone. I found the missing plastic cover for a head brake. Was under the seat, found it when I hit the brakes when driving. This Gorilla Glue is the best to glue anything. Now back to detailing. No marks or scratches. All gone. This is what you could be doing instead of getting new engine you Facebook haters.